Hello children, welcome to class 3, subject mathematics, chapter number 12, multiplication. In the previous chapter, we learned about basic multiplication. In today's topic, we are going to learn about multiplication of tens. Multiplying a number by 10 means taking 10 times that number. For example, the number is given as 3 multiplied by 10, which means 3 10 times, and the answer what we are getting is 30. Or 10 multiplied by 3 means 10 3 times, and the answer is also 30 only. The other examples could be 4 multiplied by 10, which is 40, and even if you write 10 multiplied by 4, we get answer as 40 only. Which means to multiply a number by 10, we just need to put a 0 after 8. The other examples could be 20 multiplied by 6 equals to 2t. Now here t is referred as tens, and if you multiply 2t multiplied by 6, your answer is 12t. 12t, which you get answer as total is 120. That is 20 multiplied by 6. The answer we are getting is 120. The other could be 30 multiplied by 20, which means 3t multiplied by 2t equals to 6h. Now here h is referred to 100. That means 30 multiplied by 20 equals to 600, and 600 is a 3-digit number which refers to 100. If there is a 0 in the units place of both numbers, then multiply the digits in their tens places and write 2 zeros after the product. Product means the answer. For example, 40 multiplied by 20 is the question given. Here you can just multiply the 2-digit numbers, that is 4 2s are 8, and remaining 2 zeros you can add after the answer. So you get answer as 800. 40 multiplied by 20 equals to 800. Same way with 30 multiplied by 30 equals to 900. So here you can just multiply the 2-digit numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 3, you get answer as 9, that is 3 3s are 9, and the remaining 2 zeros you can add and you get the answer as 900. Let's understand the more examples. The first question is 4 multiplied by 50. What answer we have got over here? 20. 4 5s are 20, and the 0 which is there you have to add it and you get answer as 200. So 4 multiplied by 50 is 200. Then 6 multiplied by 20. 6 2s are 12, and the 0 we have to add it outside of the 12 and we get answer as 120. The next is 3t multiplied by 3t. As I told you earlier, t means tens. So your answer is 30 multiplied by 30 equals to 900. So 3t multiplied by 3t equals to 9h, and h refers to what? 100. Next is 4t multiplied by 2t, and answer we get is what? 8h, that is 800. So 40 multiplied by 20 equals to 800 is the answer. Lattice method. What do you mean by lattice method? It means that you have to split the numbers and find out the answer. So let's see what does it tell us. Here the number is given as 34 multiplied by 2. Now in this lattice method you have to split the numbers. How are you going to split the numbers? First you have to draw a box, and in the first column you have to, or in the first box you have to first write multiply sign. Then you have to split the numbers. Which number you have to split? You have to split the number 34. So it will be 30 plus 4 as shown in the picture. And the down you have to write, down of multiplication sign you have to write number 2, which is called multiplier. So here 30 and 4 is a multiplicand and 2 is a multiplier, and by multiplying what answers you are going to get is a product. So let's start here. So first you have to split, that is 30 and 4, and in the next column you have to downside you have to write 2. Let's multiply. 30 multiplied by 2 equals to 60, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and then we have to add this number. Which numbers we have to add? The answer what we have got, that is 60 plus 8 equals to 68. That means 34 multiplied by 2 equals to answer is 68. Let's see some more examples. Multiplying two-digit number by one digit by lattice method. Now here the number question is given as 37 multiplied by 4. Again you have to draw a box, and in the first box you have to write multiply sign, which is compulsory. Then you have to split 37 and you will get it as 30 and 7, and in the down you have to write 4. Then you have to multiply 30 multiplied by 4, and the answer we are getting is 120. You can write 3 4s are 12 and then put the 0 down, you get answer as 120. Then 4 7s are 28. Again you have to add the answers. Which answers? 120 and 28. So 120 plus 28, we are getting answer as 148. That means 37 4s are 148. Next is 56 multiplied by 3. Same method we have to use. That is, we have to draw first box. In the first box you have to write multiplication sign, which is necessary, and then split the numbers, that is 50 and 6, and down you have to write which number? 3. Again multiply 50 3s are 150, that is 5 3s are 15, and that 0 put down, you get answer as 150, and 3 6 are 18. Then you have to add the numbers, that is 150 plus 18, and together the answer, when we add it, we get answer as 168. That means 56 multiplied by 3 equals to 168 is the answer. Multiplying two-digit numbers by lattice method only. In the first we learn about multiplying with the single digit number. Okay, now here in this we are going to multiply with two-digit numbers. Now the question is given as 43 multiplied by 23. The same method we have to use, that is, first we have to draw a box. In the first box we have to write multiplication sign, which is necessary, and then the first number is given as 43. So you have to split the 43, that means you will write 40 and 3, and in the down where the multiplication sign is, there you will write 20 plus 3, that means you have to split 23 also. Now we have to multiply, that means 20 multiplied by 40, and answer we are getting as 800. You can easily multiply, that is 4 2 4s are 8, and put the 2 zeros down, so you are getting answer as 800. Now you have to multiply 20 multiplied by 3, and answer is 60, that is 23s are 60. So you got answer, first line answer you got. Now let's move to the second one. Now you have to multiply with the 3. So 340 or 43s are 120, and 3 3s are 9. So you got the answer as 860, 120 and 9. Now you have to add all these answers what you have got, and once you add, you get answer as 989. That means 43 multiplied by 23 equals to 989 is the answer. In the next example, the question is given as 32 multiplied by 14. Same way we have to draw a box first, write the multiplication sign, which is compulsory, and split the number. Which number? 32. In the first box you will write 30 and 2, and in the down the other boxes you will write 10 and 4. Let's multiply. 10 multiplied by 30, answer is 300, and 10 multiplied by 2, answer is 20. Then we have to multiply 4. So 4 multiplied by 30, answer is 120, and 4 multiplied by 2, answer is 8. Now we have to add what answers we have got. That is 300 plus 20 plus 120 plus 8, and altogether when we add, we get answer as 448. That means 32 multiplied by 14 equals to 448 is the answer. I hope you have understood about the multiplication of the tens, and also the one digit and the two digit of the lattice method, and how to write and solve the lattice method very well. Thank you.